Okay, this is my 55 with my blood parrot, my 10-4 barbs, giant Danios, and this nice Jack Dempsey in there in this corner right here. As you can see, I need to do a top off. And I'll come back tomorrow and do the top off. That's a big boy right there. Nice blood parrot. Common Placo. And I got a polka dot Raphael catfish and hiding up under that piece of wood. It's nice. And I'm thinking about adding my belly crawler pipe in there and possibly my two bisha, a albino and a regular bisha. That's gonna happen on a later date. Like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for the views.